Ladies and gentlemen, we're looking at Microsoft Publisher. We're looking at QuarkXPress. We want to know, in terms of publishing tool, which one you should be using. All right, we're looking at Microsoft Publisher now. And Microsoft Publisher has hundreds of customizable templates for brochures, flyers, newsletters, business cards, and promotional materials that are ready to personalize. This means that you can go into a ready-made template and just tweak it slightly, and you can have your own complete product. All right, it's simple. It uses a drag and drop functionality for inserting all of your elements, such as your images, text, graphics, social media content, and it makes a professional layout accessible to literally anybody, regardless of how much experience you have in design. You can directly import from Word, from Excel, streamlining your workflows. You can bring in text, tables, charts without reformatting at all. You can create personalized marketing materials efficiently by merging customer data directly into your designs for targeted campaigns. And you can create professional publishing features that include bleed settings, margin control, and color scheme management that ensure high quality printed output. It's perfect for small businesses, marketing, freelance, publishing, educational materials, event promotions, and personalized greeting cards, and so much more. So why does Publisher actually win over the competition? Well, first of all, it is significantly more affordable than Adobe InDesign or QuarkXPress, which is some of its competitors, while still delivering professional results. It offers minimal learning curves with guided wizards and intuitive tools that help you to get creating literally immediately. It has a native integration with Office 365, which enhances team collaboration as well as workflow efficiency, and it supports both print and digital publishing with PDF export and online sharing capabilities. Its market position right now, it reduces cost by eliminating outsourced design work, it empowers teams to create on-demand marketing materials, and it's trusted by millions in the Microsoft Office ecosystem. Let's have a look at QuarkXPress now, which offers powerful features that drive creative excellence. So first of all, designers pin favorite tools and apply typography styles instantly, which can boost workflow speed and creative control. You get a built-in LaTeX and MathML support, which enables seamless creation of complex STEM and academic content without external tools. And Quarky AI's assistant helps generate, summarize, and translate text. The AI font pairing suggests perfect combinations from Google fonts for cohesive design, and you can also precisely mask images or group elements inside of shapes, enabling sophisticated, flexible layouts that elevate visual storytelling capabilities. Let's have a look over here at some of their use cases and their market advantages. So first of all, they're trusted by over 40 years of people by print and digital professionals for magazine, book, brochures, and academic journals. You get flexible licensing, which offers both perpetual licenses as well as subscriptions, which caters for everybody. It's got superior typography control, which allows you to, with their intuitive slider, fine-tune your typography, the weight, width, and the slant for a unique brand experience. And then you get enhanced productivity. So redesigned welcome screen with Workspace presents accelerated project setup and personalization for faster launches. And unlike Adobe InDesign, QuarkXPress actually integrates advanced math publishing and AI features natively, reducing the reliance on plugins. Lastly, over here, it supports the latest macOS and Windows 11 with optimized performance for complex graphic-heavy documents. There we go, ladies and gentlemen. So many options to choose from. The key takeaway here is to go and try the software for yourself and see what actually works in a real life scenario. If this was helpful, drop us a like and we'll see you next time.